the white powder.
The white powder.
Okay, then pour everything on your table.
On your table.
And spread it with your big bare hands. Spread it well. Okay. Next up, get the ball of your dough. The brown one. Okay, get all of it. And mold it into circle. Just like playing the Play-Doh. Okay, press. Yes? Yeah, wait, press. Okay? Then press it on your table. Press it, flatten it. And flip it over. Flip it over so that the other side will be coated with the flour as well. Okay, guys. It's time to get your rolling pin. Okay, get your rolling pin and roll your dough forward, backward, even side by side. Make sure your dough is not too thick or not too thin, just the right size for your cookie cutter to fit. You can check from time to time if your cookie cutter fit on your dough already. But if it doesn't fit yet, just continue on rolling. Okay, once it fit now, you get your cookie cutter. And make sure that the sharp side is facing on your dough. Okay, press it on your dough. Press it hard. Then shake it a little. Don't scratch up. Just press it hard, then shake it a little like this. And don't remove the cookie cutter yet. Instead, remove the excess dough from the outside. Okay, you have your own gingerbread man. Cookie dough. Okay, I'll go around to collect all of your cookies. All your dough, and let's bake them. Oh, it's Gingy and Gingy.
Oh, no, you can't get us started on time. The wrong place. Where I can't get it on.
Hi, Pa, Gingy.
Do you wash your hands?
Of course, Gingy.
Did they wash their hands?
Was already Gingy.
Don't say Gingy. You want to do this again. That way comes from clean skin. Unless you're making my eyes. We're walking. Which are not.
There's no ogres on inviting. Oh, say excuse, Gingy. Make a gingerbread man.
Did somebody say mud pies? I'll have two, please, and a side of muffins if you've got any. Oh, come on, Gingy. Are you still sore about that wee fire? It was an honest mistake. Who knew you weren't supposed to throw water on an oil fire?
Or put fire on gas to it. Or spill cats in bathwater. Or throw bathwater on grandma when she's asleep. Or go to sleep when you're cooking grandma's angry cat flambé a la mode.
Ooh, that was a fun day in the kitchen. Well, what are you cooking today?
I don't know what you roasted up in here, Mr. Ford, but it smells nasty. Probably something Shrek would eat.
Or something I did eat.
Wait a minute, is that you I'm smelling? Woo!
Better out than in, I always say.
And I always say it's better outside than inside. We got to get rid of that sin before I go blind from the style break.
Oh, don't say that, Gingy. We are all friends here, right?
Ah, here it is.
Hey, Donkey, let's turn off the fan, Donkey. Gingy is in trouble. Hey, Donkey, let's turn off the fan. What? Oh, what have you done, Donkey?
Well,
What
I'd
happened to
say
Gingy
Gingy's
now?
probably not a fan of yours right about now.
We couldn't find it. Poor little Christy Dude is probably in a hurry
icing. We can
Okay,
rebuild
let's see
it
a track.
better and stronger than before.
Yeah, let's make them sweet too. Less vinegar in our cookie frame. The old ginger was way too bubbly.
Okay, I'm so sorry for what happened to Gingy. But don't worry guys, I think the mapping map can always fix it if you can navigate. Okay, let's now move on to the next part of the class, which is the cookie decorating. As you can see, we have provided you two color of icings. Please place the paper towel and icings near you. Okay? And the proper way to use your icing, listen up, the proper way to use your icing is hold on the top. Okay? Squeeze it gently. So your icing will come out nicely. Reminder for the kids, don't put directly inside to your mouth or bite them. If you want to taste your icing, squeeze it a little amount to your fingertip. Then taste it. Come on, you can taste your icing and tell me it is thumbs up or thumbs down. Okay guys? How about the back? Taste it now? Come on, you can taste it. Good? In the front, good? Okay, are you ready to decorate your cookies? Yes. Hey guys, I can hear you. Are you? Do you have an energy? Okay, are you ready to decorate your cookies? Yes. Okay, by the way, I have a little trivia. Did you know here in this kitchen we have a magical oven that can bake and fix your cookies faster than the usual. It is for only 10 seconds. All you need to do is to count with me from 10 down to 1. And remember, the louder that we count, the sweeter your cookies will be. Let's start counting from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great counting. Oh, you're here, Richard.
Excuse me, I don't mean to interrupt.
It's
But
okay.
could you tell me what to use to put out an oil fire?
What? For sure.
No reason.
It's for remember.
Right, I knew that. Carry on, just as you would if there wasn't an oil fire burning back there. Which there isn't.
Just be careful next time, Shrek. Okay, listen up. Are you ready to see your cookies, guys? Yeah. Okay, let's see your cookies. Oh, it's hot. Okay, it smells good. And here are all your cookies. Perfectly baked from the magical oven. Once you receive your cookies, you can start decorating them. You can put eyes, nose, lips, or you can copy your apron if you want. But don't forget to make your gingerbread man smile, okay? You can start decorating now. Okay.
I'm afraid I have a bit of bad news. Gingy is no longer with us.
Not for good, Jack.
Everything was good. We just couldn't save it.
In the end, his poor
Okay, now let's start decorating.
just couldn't take it. Do you hear something?
Yeah, my mind.
Okay, you can start
Since
now.
Ginger's no longer with us, maybe we could rename the place.
Let me guess. Shea Donkey?
I was thinking more along the lines of Donkey's House of Waffles, home of the world famous Donkey Waffle.
Nobody's going to want to eat something called a donkey waffle.
Donkeys will.
You're the only donkey.
Exactly. I'm the target audience. Waffle sandwiches, waffle appetizers, waffles, topped waffles, and for dessert, waffle parfait. So you keep a gingerbread family.
I'm almost done cooking because class is over. We should leave.
On behalf of everyone at Shea Gingy, we hope you had a nice time. Come and see us again soon. And remember, it's sometimes more fun on the way out than it is on the way in.
What about a waffle surprise? Like a waffle inside of a waffle. It's genius. We're gonna make it
Okay, Mr. Gingy guys, the class is over. So I will give you 5 more seconds to finalize your design. Use your time wisely and hurry up now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, cookies are edible. So if you want to eat your cookies, yes, you may. But don't forget to remove your apron and put on the handlebar in front of you. Wash your hand again before you leaving the kitchen. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your stay here at Dream Play, guys. Say bye.